Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 274, AI-generated code with Copilot. So far we've looked at a bunch of Copilot features in Power Pages for low-code makers. But don't worry, Microsoft hasn't forgotten about pro coders. One Copilot feature for pro coders is the ability to generate code. This works within VS Code, either the desktop version or the web version. Just make sure you have the Power Platform Tools extension installed if you're using the desktop version, and that you've got your Power Pages site code open. Go to the Power Platform area in the activity bar, where you should see the Copilot in Power Pages panel. It's a chat interface that allows you to ask Copilot for the code that you want. For example, you can ask it to generate code that will validate the format for a Canadian postal code. Or ask it to provide the web API call to create a row in the contact table. You can keep rephrasing your question to have Copilot refine its answer. Copilot for Power Pages is tuned specifically for Power Pages, so it can provide answers that include languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Liquid. To get the most accurate answer, it's best to have whatever file you intend to put your code in open. Once Copilot has provided you what you're looking for, copy and paste the code into your file and make any additional modifications that you want. As with everything Copilot provides, it's your responsibility to ensure that it works the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 274 on AI-generated code with Copilot useful.